GSK beat Q4 profit and sales forecasts, helped by sales of its blockbuster shingles vaccine. GSK reported Q4 sales of $9.11 billion. It's working on strategic partnerships in the Gulf to drive the development of new potential vaccines and medicines here. And to share these developments, I'm joined by the VP and GM of GSK Gulf, Dr. Gizem Akalin. Thank you very much for joining us today. Now, GSK has several newer specialty products to treat asthma, HIV, oncology, and vaccines for meningitis, and of course your shingles vaccine. How have these treatments contributed to GSK's growth, and what are your projections for GSK's market share and growth in the Gulf this year and beyond?
First of all, thank you very much for this opportunity. Yes, as you rightly mentioned, with all of these, I would say, extended portfolio, we had a high single-digit growth this year. And we are planning to grow a high double-digit next year. And how we're going to do it, I think there are three main pillars of our success today and in the future. One is our great performance in our already classic and established portfolio we have in the market. Okay? The second pieces are our new launches in vaccines and in our treatment. And finally, strong collaborations that we're going to be making with different stakeholders and trying to position and make GSK not only a drug provider or a vaccine provider, but a truly partner in our healthcare system journey.
And what is your top launch this year? I understand there are 5 new products in your portfolio.
Mainly around vaccines. And as you rightly mentioned at the beginning, it's a vaccine for shingles. And also we will have a couple of different oncology products coming in this year, followed by next year as well. So this will be the 2 main therapy areas that we will be growing.
What role would you say vaccines play within the new GSK?
So it is pivotal. It is one of the pivotal, I would say, strength area we have. Shingles vaccine is very unique, and it's been a blockbuster around the world on multiple ends because it provides more than 90% efficacy among the population it's been studied. And shingles is a really painful disease, come along with rashes in different parts of your body. So it's literally a disease everyone would like to be prevented for. And in UAE, it's going to be available for all people above 50 years old. So we hope to protect our community with our new vaccine.
And what are the new vaccine technology platforms that GSK is using to develop future vaccines?
So GSK is a vaccine company. We've been developing vaccines, I think, since 1882. And at this moment in time, we have got 25 different vaccines around 160 countries. And we've been making huge investment on different technologies. So one of them was a collaboration with a company called CureVac, which is a clinical stage biotechnology company on mRNA technology development as well as manufacturing. Also in August 2022, we acquired Affinivax, which uses a novel technology called MAPS for pneumococcal diseases, which would be extended for other infectious diseases as well. So we have huge investments for our, I would say, future pipeline, which is expected to be more than 21 in the upcoming future.
And tell us about your strategic partnerships that you mentioned earlier, specifically in the Gulf, that are promoting healthy living and advancing the health and the well-being agenda here.
We have many partnerships with authorities, with different pharmacy chains, as well as our local manufacturers. Very recently, we have signed a memorandum of understanding on well-being, specifically on asthma management, on pharmacy education, as well as health economics with EHS in UAE. On top of that, we have another collaboration on healthy aging with Aster Group, which has been done very recently, a couple of months back. We have 2 local manufacturing initiatives. We have collaborations with again, Ministry of Health and Department of Health on clinical research. So lots of different initiatives are on our way to become a good partner in UAE.
Absolutely. Partnerships and collaborations are obviously key to your work here. Thanks so much for joining us, VP and GM of GSK Gulf, Dr. Gizem Akalin.